Hi class, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all really fantastic this morning. Well, today's class I am going to be introducing our brand new theme of the week. Yes, the theme of the week is then and now. Yes, what could that mean? Then and now. Well, then means we're going to be looking in the past. Yes, we are going to be looking at what it was like many years ago. We're going to be looking at the things that have changed when we compare how things were back then and how they are now. Here are some examples on my wall. So, here I have a candle. Yes, I have a candle. Many years ago, there was not electricity. No, we didn't have electricity many years ago. So, people and families used to have candles. So imagine that, not being able to see your toys or not being able to see your dinner through the light of a light bulb. No, you would have to see everything through the light of a candle when it was dark. And then came along the light bulb, which changed so much. And this is so instant, isn't it? If we want to turn the light on, all we have to do is flick a switch. Imagine all those years ago, they would have had to search for the match, strike the match, light the candle, and then they would have to take the candle to the area that they want to see, the area that they wish to have light in. So it was quite an ordeal all those years ago. It wasn't so easy as it is now, just a flick of the switch, flick, and there's light. It's instant, absolutely instant now. And another example I have is, can you tell me what this is? Good job. Some of you might not know, but this is a telephone. Let me take it a little bit closer to the screen. This is a telephone. Imagine that. This part is what people used to, I believe they put that by their ears and then they spoke through this part. So they spoke through this part and then this went by their ears. And then they dialed using a finger and it would have to go round to the number and then round, and that's how you used to have to dial. Imagine that, not like now where you have a touch screen. Do I have my phone close by so I can show you how easy it is now? I just go here and then I can just go tick, and I type in the numbers. But imagine that, all those years ago they had to dial it around every time they wanted to dial a number. It's so much easier now, isn't it? Everything is just a lot faster than it used to be. Here's my picture of the phone now. Can you imagine? Just quickly, or you can even save the number. So I can just go to mum, call, and call my mum. I don't have to go and dial 078, which would have taken a little bit of time. So that's what we're looking at for this week's theme. We're looking at the past and the present. So here are a few more examples for you. So also in the past, people would write to each other. Yes, they would write to each other with a quill and some ink and some paper. That's how people would write and communicate. But obviously now we communicate with our phones and the internet. We communicate a lot quicker now, don't we? Also, another example, cooking in the past. People would have had to use fire and wood with a pan on top, a saucepan on top, and now we have this quick oven, don't we? Super, super fast. So it's different, isn't it? Yes, it's very different. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to show you one more thing. Transport. So transport in the past, people used to get around on horses. Yes, people used to have to take horses if they wanted to travel far. But now we have cars. We have cars and trains and metros and aeroplanes. Yes, so it's a lot quicker than a horse. Last one, look at the clothes that people used to wear. These are some traditional clothes. This is a bonnet. As you can see, the ladies would often wear very long dresses with an apron. Yes. And then now, here's some typical clothes that we wear: jeans, trainers. It's a lot more colourful, isn't it, than it used to be? Mostly kind of browns and beiges here. So this is what we're going to be looking at all week. It's quite an interesting topic, I think. Thank you all for listening, and bye for now.